Hola, amigos. Want to express your desires in Spanish? The verb querer is your new best friend. It means to want and even to love. It's a must-know. Why is querer so important? Because it helps you talk about things you like, things you don't like, and everything in between. From ordering food to sharing your dreams, querer will make you sound more fluent. So are you ready to unlock the power of querer? Vamos! Let's start with the present tense. This is the tense we use to talk about what we want right now, in this very moment. It's all about what you want, your desires, and your needs. Here's how it works in Spanish. Yo quiero, I want. This is how you express your own wants and desires. Tú quieres, you want. Use this when talking to a friend or someone you know well. Él, ella, usted, quiere. He, she, you, formal want. This is for talking about someone else or addressing someone formally. Nosotros, nosotras queremos, we want. Use this when you are including yourself in a group. Vosotros, vosotras queréis, you all want, informal, Spain. This is used mainly in Spain for addressing a group of friends. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, quieren, they, you all want. This is for talking about a group of people or addressing them formally. See? Not so hard. Let's try some examples to make it clearer. Yo quiero un helado. I want an ice cream. Imagine you're at an ice cream shop and you want to order. ¿Tú quieres bailar? Do you want to dance? This is perfect for asking someone to dance at a party. Ellos quieren ir al cine. They want to go to the cinema. Use this when talking about a group of friends planning to see a movie. Practice using these phrases in your conversations today. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. Now, imagine you're telling a story about something you wanted in the past. Maybe it was a toy you longed for as a child, or perhaps a dream job you aspired to have. For that, we use the Preterite tense, which is essential for expressing actions that were completed in the past. Yo quise, I wanted. This form is used when you're talking about something you desired at a specific moment in the past. Tú quisiste, you wanted. Use this when referring to what someone else wanted in a particular instance. Él, ella, usted quiso. He, she, you, formal, wanted. This is perfect for talking about what another person or a formal you desired. Nosotros, nosotras quisimos, we wanted. Use this when talking about a collective desire shared by you and others. Vosotros, vosotras quisisteis, you all wanted. Informal Spain. This is used mainly in Spain for addressing a group informally. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, quisieron, they, you all wanted. This form is used for talking about what multiple people or a formal group desired. Can you feel the past tense? It's like a bridge to your memories, connecting you to moments that have shaped your desires. Let's look at some examples to make it clearer. Anoche, yo quise pizza. Last night, I wanted pizza. This shows a specific desire you had at a particular time. ¿Tú quisiste venir conmigo? Did you want to come with me? Here, you're asking about someone's past desire to join you. Ellos quisieron aprender español. They wanted to learn Spanish. This is perfect for expressing a group's past intention to learn. See? You're already a pro at talking about past desires. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Section 4, Future Desires, Querer tomorrow. In this section, we will explore how to express what you will want in the future using the verb querer. What about things you'll want in the future? Have you ever thought about how to express your future desires in Spanish? For that, we use the future tense, yo queré, meaning I will want. It's a simple yet powerful way to talk about your future aspirations. Tú querrás, meaning you will want. This form is used when talking directly to someone about their future desires. Él, ella, usted querrá, meaning he, she, you formal, will want. This is useful for discussing the future wants of others or when speaking formally. Nosotros, nosotras queremos, meaning we will want. Use this when talking about collective future desires with your friends or team. Vosotros, vosotras queréis, meaning you all will want. Informal, Spain. This form is specifically used in Spain for informal group settings. Ellos, ellas, ustedes quieran, meaning they, you all will want. This is perfect for talking about the future desires of larger groups or informal contexts. Notice the extra R in the future? Here are some examples. This extra letter is a key feature of the future tense in Spanish. Mañana en la mañana, yo querré café, meaning tomorrow morning, I will want coffee. It's a simple way to express a future desire. Tú querrás viajar a Puerto Rico, meaning, will you want to travel to Puerto Rico? This is a great way to ask about someone's future travel plans. Ellos querrán vivir en la playa, meaning they will want to live at the beach. Imagine discussing future dreams of living by the sea. Talking about your future dreams just got easier. With these forms, you can clearly express what you and others will want in the future. Section 5. Mastering Querer, Tips and Tricks. Here are some handy tips to remember about Querer, pronunciation. Roll that double R's in the future tense. Querer versus gustar. Remember, querer means to want. Gustar means to like. Practice makes perfect. The more you use querer, the more natural it will feel. Felicidades. You've taken a big step in mastering the verb querer. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking Spanish like a native. Please subscribe to our JCAB Tutoring channel, follow us on social media, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. By staying connected, you'll receive more valuable language tips, cultural insights, and practical lessons. Your journey to mastering Spanish doesn't end here. It's just beginning, and JCAB Tutoring can help. Join our community, and let's continue learning together. Hasta pronto.